So, what is up, guys? Hope you're doing well. And yeah, just close another deal, right? Just close a new SMMA client right now. That's worth about like $350 per month, right? So basically, that's what's the retainer I'm charging right now, and the clients I'm working on, right? So yeah, hopefully we can just increase the price in future, but who knows, right? So that's how I started, and every month I'm increasing my price. Every month I'm just increasing my retainer fee to about like 100 and $150, per month. So that's the reason, that's the reason I'm keep grinding, because I want to document every single thing that I do, right? I want to be like the true guy that shares every single thing, that I'm literally transparent, right? I don't have anything to sell to you guys. I have nothing to keep some information hidden from you guys. It's just what I'm being transparent in front of you guys, and just show that it is possible, right? It is possible, right? I see a lot of people saying that, oh, dropshipping is dead, or SMMA is dead, or crypto is dead. No, dude. If you do things in the right way, if you do things that's different, of course you're gonna win, right? There's nothing dead today in today's world, right? If you do dropshipping that was in 2015, of course it's not gonna work. If you do agency, copying Iman Gaji and doing Facebook ads, of course it's not gonna work, right? You have to think outside the box, right? And that's what I learned when I started my agency, because I had to get out this zone, or this mindset that, okay, I'm going to copy and paste someone else works, and think that I'm going to succeed. That's not going to happen, because if you copy and paste other people's stuff, you're never going to succeed, right? So your goal right now is to realize, how can I be different, right? If you look at the agency space, for example, I'm in an agency space. For me, I need to analyze, okay, what can I do different than my competition are doing, right? I'm basically, this drop shipping, crypto, and this SMMA stuff is completely red ocean, right? So your job right now is to get out the red ocean and get into blue ocean, so that you can close more clients, right? And that's what I did. I had to get out of the red ocean and think outside the box, so that I can get into blue ocean and get all the leads as possible, right? So go check out the book called Blue Ocean, and Blue Ocean Strategy. That's gonna help you. But that's where the analogy comes from, blue ocean and red ocean. So you have to think to yourself, okay, how can I be different? How can I be the guy that's gonna track eyeballs? Which means that, how can I track my customers or my clients, attention? Because if you're gonna do Facebook ads, if you're gonna go do TikTok ads, if you're gonna do some Snapchat ads, perhaps not gonna work. Certainly it didn't work for me, right? Because I was just copy and pasting stuff. Maybe it might work for someone else, but for me it didn't resonate with me to do stuff and copy and paste the gurus out there on YouTube telling you to do the exact same stuff, right? It might have worked for them, but I don't know it's gonna work for me or not, right? So you have to be different. Entrepreneurship is all about being different. It's all about, in business in general, you have to be a different guy. You can't just copy and paste other people's stuff and think, okay, this thing doesn't work and it's dead. If you do things that are old fashioned, if you do agency, you know that was done maybe in 2015 or 2016, you have to understand, how can you get success out of it? Because to me it doesn't make sense if you just do things that's, if you do drop shipping, as I said, that's been done the same way in 2015 or 2016. How can you find success with it? We are living in a different world today. The world is continually changing. So you have to understand that, okay, it's not about copy and pasting, it's all about thinking outside the box. How can you use your mind? How can you use this machine to change or add value in the marketplace? So I figured out that way, and that's why I'm finding success. Till now, I've closed around about 6 to 7 clients in just like, what, 30 days, I guess. We are in mid of what, July right now. By the time I'm posting this, I started 20 days ago. I started in June 1st, right? So we're all around like 40 days something, right? And I've closed 6 clients. So see, dude, you gotta be different. My only agenda and my only purpose of making videos is not to show off how much money I make. It's not to show off how much clients I'm closing. It's not to brag or, embarrass you guys that you can't make it. Of course you can make it, right? Of course you can. But the question is, are you thinking outside the box, right? You got to stop copy and pasting other people's work. trust me, if you start doing things by using your own mind, you're going to surely see success. That's what I did, and that's the reason I'm signing clients, right? It's not something rocket science or some, that's because I'm genius or something. No, dude. It's because I use this. And if you use this perfect in a very in a concise way, in a perfect manner, of course you're gonna see the results. So you gotta understand, first of all, it's not about copy and pasting stuff. If you're gonna be successful, you gotta be different. You gotta be different in the marketplace. How can you add value in the marketplace? And Luke told me this, Luke Belmont, right? That he met a billionaire guy in some, I think, Singapore or something, and he said this, right? He met a billionaire guy and he said to this, Luke asked him that how can build a successful business, and he said, whenever there's problems, there's business. So you have to just figure out, identify the problem in the marketplace, and then be the solution to that problem, right? So the billionaire guy told Luke Belmar that whenever there is a problem, there is business, right? So my friend, you have to figure it out on your own way. Just see what the market is lacking, identify the problem, and then be that solution to the problem, right? And by doing that, you're going to be successful. You're going to bring a lot of money, right? So it's all about solving the problem. It might be anything. It might be any problem that you could solve. It might be helping some business get leads, or it might be getting someone their time back, doing service-based business or product-based business. It can be anything, right? You just have to use this and identify the problem in the marketplace, and then be the solution for it, my friend. So that's what it is. That's what pretty much I wanted to show to you guys and give an advice to you guys. I'm not being I don't want to be that sort of guy that's want to sell you courses or something. That's the reason I started this YouTube channel and pivoted my whole thing, right? If you go through my channel, I was doing some Instagram growth stuff, all that stuff, right? Then I decided, no, I'm going to document my journey. I'm going to document me, a student guy, 18-year-old entrepreneur, starting from zero and building a 10K agency by 2024, right? So that's pretty much within 5 months. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we can make it. We don't know, but what I know is that now we're doing pretty much good. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this, be different, and I will see you in the next one.